Thursday ahead of us, we are dealing with a frost advisory, though, not for this morning, but coming up tonight for the northern tier counties of Pennsylvania. That was issued by the State College Pennsylvania Weather Service from 2 a.m. until 7 a.m. Friday morning. Now, even though this advisory is neatly tucked into these counties, don't be surprised to experience maybe some of this frost even in some of the deeper interior valleys of the western southern tier counties to the south of Buffalo, well inland from the lakeshore. I would not discount that, as this very dry air mass is really going to cool off very rapidly tonight, with temperatures dipping down into the mid-30s. Would you believe mid-30s in some of the deeper valleys by tomorrow morning? These are the average and the latest frost dates on record for some of these locations across the area. And Franklinville is very representative of some of those deeper, colder valleys where the average last frost date is May 30th. So we're right around that. You know, this isn't totally unusual for the deeper valleys. And the very latest frost date on record for Franklinville is July 1st. It's tough growing season there in some of the deeper valleys. As compared to Buffalo, the average frost date is April 30th, and the very latest on the books is May 30th. As we take a look now at the situation today, we are going to be shaping up with sunshine out there for the morning commute. 55 degrees, 60 at noontime, 66 here at 5 p.m. A refreshing day shaping up across the area for this Thursday. As we turn to super microcast, loads of sunshine on tap for today. Still a bit on the breezy side, not as windy as it was yesterday afternoon. That wind was really whipping up, especially around the metro and the Niagara frontier. Getting into the nighttime period, the clear skies prevail out there. The winds will drop to calm toward tomorrow morning, allowing those heavier cold air molecules to settle close to the ground. Now, as we get into Friday, sunshine back again, at least for the morning hours. Now, two computer models are kind of at odds as to what is going to take place around here tomorrow afternoon. One is keeping things entirely dry and pretty sunny right through the afternoon. The other one is suggesting that a little bit of thunder shower activity might slip around a ridge of high pressure parked to our west, and we might see some increasing clouds out of that at least Friday afternoon, and perhaps a rain shower or thunder shower. We should be able to fine-tune this forecast for you at noontime today. Of course, Don will be in tonight at 5 and 6, but most of the showers and thunder showers should hold off until Saturday. We'll be dealing with that to begin the weekend. Not a washout here, and maybe even some limited sun in the mix for Saturday. We'll kick it out of here in time for Sunday. I-10 forecast about 61 at Newfane this afternoon, 64 at the Falls, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, down through Alden, 64, 62 at Batavia. Down to the south, we're looking at readings along the PA line. While the computer's suggesting some upper 50s, you should at least maybe edge into the lower 60s down here, and that's the case at Jamestown with a high of 60, at least 62 at Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca. Right now, 53 at Buffalo, 51 from the Falls, 48 down there at Jamestown, and 51 at Wellsville. Here's your Thursday forecast. Bright sunshine on tap today. Breezy, pleasant, just a terrific day. High 63 to 66. For the overnight, clear and cool. Patchy frost in the deepest valleys, down to 35 in those deep valleys to about 45 in the city. Winds become calm toward morning. Mostly sunny tomorrow. Some high clouds mixed in the afternoon. 66 to 71 degrees. And on Saturday, limited sun. Chance of some scattered rain showers and thunder showers. A high between 75 to 79 degrees. That's out of here for Sunday, with skies becoming at least partly sunny and a high temp in the mid 70s. Just a beautiful finish to the weekend as well. Looking pretty good even into the beginning of next week, too.